I want to start by telling you a story. I used to work in a school for young people who were quite violent, and I'd often come home from work and I'd be covered in bruises. It was a very emotional job, a very physical, draining job. And one evening, as I was preparing to go to work the next morning, I had to buy a bus ticket. And these bus tickets were about £5, $6 or $7. And I looked at my bank account and I literally had no money. I had no money in my bank account at all. And I'd never been in that position before. It was absolutely terrifying, and I had to get to work. Now, my bus journey was about an hour and 20 minutes right across my town. So you can imagine how long that would take for me to actually walk. But that prospect was there. I was thinking, I'm gonna have to get up at like 4 o'clock in the morning to walk to work, to get to work on time, to then do this really incredibly physically and emotionally draining job, and then potentially have to walk all the way back again. And I was, that was really where I was at in my life at the time. It was a reflection of generally where I was at in life. And on the off chance, I decided to look in my PayPal account, which I hadn't sort of logged into for a while. And I was like, maybe there's like £5, $7 or something in there that I can somehow get access to and just buy a ticket, a bus ticket, just so I can get to work. And I logged in, and lo and behold, I had about £30 in there, which is maybe $35, $40. And I was like, okay, I don't care where this money's come from. I've got money to be able to buy food and to be able to get the bus to work for the whole week, or buy a week ticket. And actually where that money had come from was a course that I'd put online a few years before. Sort of forgot about it, to be honest, and I just put it online on a platform called Udemy. And this platform had done a payout. The course had sold so many that the last couple of months or whatever, just sort of trickling away, one here, one there type of thing. And it meant that I'd had this money. Now, what that lesson had taught me is that I really need to big up on having passive income. I needed to big up being able to have streams of income that would pay me without me even thinking about it. And it was a really good life lesson for me. I dreaded to ever be in that position again where I literally had no money in my bank account. And imagine if I hadn't have done that course a few years before, I wouldn't have that money to be able to have gone to work that day, and I would have, who knows what I would have done. Horrible position to be in. And this course is basically me showing you how to start to develop very basic streams of passive income. Phoenix Rising is your sort of first step on the ladder to starting to get a good, profitable business of passive income that you can get through doing online courses mainly, but also digital products. So if you look at this course, we're going to lay out exactly how you can get digital products, how you can develop them, even if you have no idea, even if you think to yourself, there's nothing that I could teach the world, there's nothing that I could buy out there. We're going to give you over 100 possible ways for you to develop digital content that you can put out there and develop a passive income from. And then from there, we're going to look at how you can develop that product, how you can market that product, how you can put it all together. And all these things are for free. So everything that I teach you in Phoenix Rising, there are paid options out there that are maybe a little bit better, a little bit more advanced, give you more options. But everything I show you here is absolutely free. So you can set up a digital, a business that develops digital content, and it's all going to be for free. Now, at the end of this course, you should be in a position where you can put together digital content that you develop yourself, or there is the options out there for be able to develop, get content from other people, but you can develop it yourself. I'm going to give you tons of ideas. You're going to be able to set up an email list that is going to be yours. You're going to keep it. You're going to be able to have opportunities for social media and how to advertise your digital content, how to start to develop your email list, and then how to market to that email list. That's all within Phoenix Rising. So if you've literally never developed a digital product before in your life and you want to start to make passive income, you want to start to be able to develop a business, then Phoenix Rising is a great course for you to start at. If you started online businesses before and they failed because you've done various schemes, various crazy stuff that's out there, we've all sort of been there, we've all tried. I mean, I think every person who's been successful online has probably got 50 businesses that they've tried to start and that they failed. So don't worry about it if you've been there. This is a great option. It's very sensible, it makes sense, there's no gimmicks, there's no like get rich quick schemes. This is like a really great course for you just to start to get out there and start to develop your online business. So if you're in a position like I was, where you literally look at your bank account at the end of the month and go, oh no, what am I going to do? Then let's start your online business to start that passive income. But if you're in a position where you're quite comfortable financially, but maybe you just want to start something on the side, again, this is a great course for you. Or if you want to have that change of career, you want to start your own business that develops digital content online that you can run anywhere in the world at any time, then again, this is a great course for you to start and develop your online digital passive income business. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. I really hope you enjoy this course. It's something I'm very passionate about because I've been there. I've been in that horrible position where basically this type of business has literally meant that I could eat that evening. So thank you for watching, and always reach out to me, always connect to me, Paul Tilley from Mujelly. Thank you. Hello, my name is Paul Tilley from Mujelly.com, and I'm going to give you a quick overview and review of my latest product, which is called Phoenix Rising, which is going to be launched on the 29th, which is very soon from me recording this. So it's 29th of October 2021. It feels weird saying 2021. No, it feels like the future or something. Anyway, so this is an overview of my latest product that I've put together, and yeah, I'm really excited to be able to finally present this. It's been a lot of work put into this, and it's called Phoenix Rising, and it's basically, in a nutshell, is an overview how you can develop your own digital products. Now, digital products, as we know, are really an amazing resource for us to be able to put together and to get out there and to share our knowledge. And this day and age, it's so easy to be able to do that. All you need is a laptop or even just a phone with a camera and a mic, and that's it. You can develop a digital product. Or if you're more inclined towards developing a written product or visuals, then this course is really going to explain those sort of things for you. So it's basically how you can start to develop your own digital product and get it out there, build your email list, build a passive income, and share your knowledge with the world. And that's basically how we're going to do this, and what Phoenix Rising is all about. Now, before I really delve into the course, what I want to do is show you some of the bonuses that we're going to throw in when you choose to get with this course. And these bonuses are there to help you, to give you more ideas, to give you more resources for developing your online business. So Phoenix Rising bonuses are going to be 51 social media marketing methods, and of course we need marketing methods when we start to market our digital product, which is exactly what this video I'm doing right now is about, because it's going to be on YouTube. So you're going to throw in that. We're going to throw in sales funnel playbook, which again, you have your sales funnel. You know, when people buy your product, they have the opportunity to then upgrade to other products, which again, with Phoenix Rising, exactly what we're going to do. We're going to have Phoenix Rising Pro. So that should help you. We're also going to have an upgrade of that, which is a video upgrade of sales funnels. So it's going to give you more resources. Pinterest is a great platform, so that's going to go alongside your sort of social media course. So you can YouTube again is absolutely one of the best platforms for advertising your products. If you want to some course ideas, for example, selling audio products on ClickBank is a great platform for doing that. So more social media stuff there, visual social media marketing, loads of social media stuff there, and so you've got enough, you know, resources there to keep you going. Now also there's some other bonuses in here which I'm not going to show you right at this moment. There's some other unadvertised bonuses, so you get loads and loads of products. Now, as an overview of the course, you can see that Phoenix Rising is quite in depth. There's quite a lot of resources there. Let's see if we can go back a second to the main page. There we go. So you know, when you join this course, you get this really nice platform for you to, and it'll sort of monitor your progress throughout the course. It shows you how many lessons you can start there. Some nice graphics and stuff like that. When you join, you'll be able to upload your own icon, so you can follow your training. As you buy more courses through Moodjelly, you know, you can sort of develop your own platform and your own profile there. You can upgrade here. You can have an invite to our Facebook group. You can support if you need support. This tells you all about the course. And then you've got all the various modules here. Let's have a quick look at this overview module. So again, you know, you can sort of have your outline here of the course. You can sort of see your progress. There you got me. There you go. I've got the same hat on. And you know, you've got sort of just overview there. See what I have to say.
And then sell it through eBay.
There you go, see? There you go, I need to take this off. Okay, so you can see there, that's the sort of overview of Phoenix Rising. It's a really in-depth course, as I say, on how you can develop your sort of passive income business. And Phoenix Rising on its own will get you up and started for developing your own digital products. You can see that, you know, there's lots of modules here. There's how to develop, you know, over 100 different digital products that you can develop. Free platforms where you can host your digital products, developing video courses. I also talk about how you can develop other types of digital products as well, not just video courses. Video courses is sort of what I do. That's more my bread and butter because I'm quite comfortable in front of the camera. But you know, someone who is not comfortable in front of the camera may want to do something more like a PDF document, or graphics is maybe your thing. All these are valid ways of building your online business, and I go into depth here now to do that. As I say, on its own, it's a great course. But you know, if you wanted to do something like Phoenix Rising Advanced, then you could buy that and upgrade, and that would be you know, another great way for you to really go in depth in developing your online business. So that's a quick overview. As I say, there's loads of bonuses thrown in. There's loads of extras. You know, come to the Facebook group as well, and you know, reach out to me there, and we can chat there and develop more and share ideas. And I hope that's really helpful for you. And I look forward to seeing you going through Phoenix Rising. Thank you.